So today I'm going to be reviewing Urban Decay's Naked 2 palette. I personally have never owned my own Naked palette or any eyeshadow by Urban Decay. I have used Naked 1 and 3 before from friends, and I really loved the way that the eyeshadow came on and how it stayed on. The quality is amazing, the pigment is amazing, and just the way it looks is different than other eyeshadows. Like if I see somebody with eyeshadow on, I'll be like, oh, I bet you they use a Naked palette. So I decided to get myself the Naked 2. I went to Ulta looking for a palette that had gold in it, and I was also looking for a palette that I knew was good quality, and then I decided to get this one. Let me go ahead and show you the colors that come in this palette. You can see that there are a lot of neutral colors. You can create a lot of different looks with this. You can create just an everyday, just gonna throw on some eyeshadow, I'm running late for work kind of look, or a dramatic smoky eye. Really, any look you're going for can be accomplished with this palette. So you can just kind of get an idea of how they would look. This one is the lightest color. This one is called Foxy. This is the gold in the palette. The gold that I was looking for. And you see how it shimmers in the light, and mind the fact that I barely touched it and it comes on amazing. The next one is called Chopper. It's kind of like a copper metallic. This one is a grayish one called Pistol. I really like this one because not a lot of palettes have this kind of gray. And similar to the gray, there's this one called Verb. More of a lighter gray, and it is also metallic, so it's very shimmery in the light. And there's a brown called Busted and a black called Blackout. So I have already done a couple looks with this palette. One I have posted on my Instagram page, but I'll go ahead and show you a quick, easy, simple, casual, everyday look with using this palette. So I was running late for work this morning, but still want to throw on some eyeshadow, and I thought this palette is what I need. It blends really easy and the colors come on really well, so it looks like I've done a lot when I really didn't spend too much time doing my eyeshadow. I'm gonna start by priming my eyes with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion. This is my go-to eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna put some on with my finger. I feel like it's easy and more precise to just use my finger rather than a brush or anything. And what I like about this primer too is you really don't need a lot. Like I don't even use the brush on my eye. I just put some on my finger and dab it on. I am gonna use the brush that it comes with, this cute little brush that comes with the hard end to apply and then this fluffy end to blend. For my base, I'm gonna use the shade Foxy, which is the lightest one that I showed you earlier. Now that I got my base on, the next color I'm gonna use is Verb to match my gray lazy sweater. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my eyelid. And I'm putting this one just on my lid. Next, I'm going to use Pistol. I'm just gonna apply this on half my lid, and then I'm gonna blend it out. 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 And then I'm gonna blend it out I'm gonna use Busted. I'm gonna apply this a little bit off the middle and toward the end on my lid and kind of into the crease, and I'm gonna blend that in. And again, as you can see, these colors blend very, very easily. And lastly, just to finish my look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the black one called Blackout. And there you have it. Here's my quick little smoky look that you can accomplish really quickly. I really honestly did this in like 5 minutes. So yeah, this palette, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. If you're looking for something with good quality, but you're also just starting out, or just looking for good nudes and neutrals, this is definitely the way to go. And it is gonna last you a really long time because you, like I said, you barely need to put any on the brush in order for it to, you know, come on very well. And the pigment is amazing. It lasts all day. I mean, the shimmer, the shine, it doesn't look like it wears off at all until you take it off. So yeah, I hope this short little review helped anybody out there who's just looking for a palette or wanted to know what the Naked 2 palette is like, and I hope you enjoyed my video.